Hello, I'm Steve Bennett from I See It Business Intelligence, and in this episode of our Focus On series, we look at Office Connect, the Workday Adaptive Planning solution for automated, connected reporting in Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. Using Workday Adaptive Planning in the cloud means you have instant access to the latest planning and reporting data, but there are many occasions where you need to report that data externally in Excel. Traditionally, that means a lengthy, painful process of manually extracting data, rolling over spreadsheets, reconciling and fixing that can take hours or even days. Stakeholders are left waiting for reports they don't fully trust, and if something changes, you have to run through the whole process again. This is where Office Connect comes in. It allows you to create high-quality formatted reports that are updated instantly with a single click, directly linked to Workday Adaptive Planning. That means when your numbers change, your entire suite of reports change with no manual rekeying or rebuilding. Users are able to use the same Excel report to filter in real time on any area of the business they're permitted to see, with access security controlled centrally in the cloud. The same reports can then be used ongoing. For example, if this is a monthly report, simply update the inbuilt calendar for the following month, click OK, and hit refresh. All of the data will refresh automatically, all in one go. That's month-end reporting done. Creating new reports is really easy with Office Connect. There's no complex formulas or coding. All of the information held in Workday Adaptive Planning, such as accounts, time periods, values, and KPIs, is available in the window on the left. So it's a simple process to drag and drop into the required places and then just hit refresh. And once it's run, I can immediately interact with the data by expanding or by drilling back to adaptive planning in the cloud directly from the report. Office Connect also runs in PowerPoint, allowing you to directly refresh formatted board packs and presentations without the need to copy and paste images and tables of data from Excel. Again, I simply hit refresh. Numbers will update automatically, and so will any titles and text fields that you link directly to Office Connect. In Word, Office Connect can be used to automate board books and annual reports with all linked data refreshing in a single click. You can also link keywords and KPIs within the commentary to save even more manual effort. So that's a quick look at how Office Connect can deliver consistent, accurate reporting in record time, allowing you to make better decisions more quickly. To find out more, please get in touch, and thanks for watching.